So I have already created my fill layer with the white color. And now in order to create QR codes, just select the shape tool, this one here, left click, and then here it is, QR code tool, left click, and now I'm just going to trace, so here it is. And now you can either change the color here, for example, or here. So let's say I'm going to turn it red, or I can change it here, left click here, and then let's bring it back to black. So I'm going to select the move tool, I'm going to scale it up like this. So now let's center it. So now I'm going to left click here on the data. So now for the type here, this is URL, but you can also change it, for example, to text, phone, email. So now I'm going to change, for example, the URL. So let's left click on Chrome. So for example, let's say I'm going to change it to Google. So Control C to copy. And now, for example, here it will change, for example, this graphic here. So now I'm going to double click here and then Control V to paste. So here it is. As you can see, it changes. Or for example, let's try, for example, Bing. So Control C, let's go back to Affinity. So Control V, it is already highlighted. So here it is. So for example, I'm going to leave it to Bing and now click OK. And now we need to export this image here. So go to File, Export, and then select Export. So I'm going to select the JPEG high quality and then Export. So I'm going to export it here. So now I'm just going to click OK. So I'm going to name it, for example, QR code, and then click on this icon here to save it. And now I'm going to select the browser, and now I'm going to select this website here where you can scan, for example, QR codes. So now I'm just going to drag our image here, this one here, the one we just created. I'm going to drag it. So here it is, and now, so here it is. HTTPS www.bing.com.